We're looking for a little heat, a little wind, and drier weather. I'm going to roll the dice and toss it over to Dave. Can you deliver?
Yeah, well, I think little is probably the operational word here. We're going to get better at it than what we've done lately. You can still see the temperatures, no, with the exception of Thursday and Friday, we've been looking at temperatures that were again below normal, and this certainly reflects that as we head into the latter part of the month of May. And precipitation certainly has been well above normal, and we certainly get a test of that. And that's been the case down in the plain states as well. As we look ahead to the next 10 days, it does look like the warmer temperatures start to move into the plain states, and we're looking for that shift of below normal temperatures to start moving towards the eastern half of the U.S. and eastern Great Lakes and those areas. So we're going to be kind of right on the line. We should be looking at generally average temperatures, which for us would be about 70 for a daytime high. This would sort of reflect kind of a little bit cooler than normal weekend. We're going to see that both today and also on Sunday with highs in the 60s. Then we kind of warm up a bit again with upper 70s as we look ahead to the mid part of the next week, and then mainly mid 70s or so. So above normal temperatures, looks like that will be the trend as we head into the next few days or so. As we look ahead, now the outlook still looks for slightly above normal precipitation with below normal in the eastern sections of the U.S. and also across the west and parts of the northwest. Unfortunately, the plain states and the southern plains look like they're going to be well above normal again. Certainly nothing they want to see, and it goes for us as well. We're going to be looking for the amounts of precipitation to be much higher again down to the south. That's not to say we're not going to see any around here, and in fact you can see some little gaps in there where we do see a little bit more, but the trend is going to be at least for a couple of dry days, and then we get another round of systems moving through, and then another round of a couple dry more days as we head in towards the next 6 to 10 days with the heaviest amounts down to the south. Midwest Farm Weekly will be back with more coming up here in just a few minutes. Stay with us.